Installing quality Lexus boot spacers can make the ride quality better by widening the track. In general, a wider track means more grip in almost every application, even if you don't change the stock wheels and tires. The more track width, the better the handling of curves and swerving, and the better the rollover resistance. Good quality Lexus boot spacers must be made of good material. The industry-recognized material for BONOSS boot spacer is aluminum alloy. Usually two types of aluminum alloy, 6061 T6 and 7075 T6. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than the cast ones. BONOSS Lexus boot spacers come with active cooling grooves. When the wheels rotate, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow efficiently and continuously inside the wheel spacers to take away the heat. Therefore, it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. In this way, these BONOSS forged active cooling wheel spacers can improve heat dissipation efficiency and reduce safety risk during driving. With quality Lexus boot spacers, you'll experience more comfortable driving.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS boot spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!